Hi guys, how are you doing? Welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's morning. I've just woke up and I want to wash utensils. As you can see, they are right here. Yeah, I want to clean them before I do breakfast. So kindly subscribe to my YouTube channel, like, comment and share. Let's start. Yeah, I want to set my camera here. Yeah, let's clean the utensils. This water is hot, very hot. So I clean, rinse, and then put them here. Yeah, let's continue to wash the utensils. Hi guys, as you can see, it's raining. It's raining in the village. My utensils are still there. I didn't manage to finish, but I'm gonna do that when the rain stopped. Yeah, as you can see, it's raining. Yeah, it's raining. Yeah, you see. This is how we correct the water. There you go. That's the entrance to our home. Yeah, that's the entrance, the gate. Yeah, you can see a lot of water. see. That's how we collect water in our village, yeah. And that's a lot of water. As you can see, that tank, yeah, that's enough water for the usage. Use that water to drink, cook, use it to shower. Yeah. That's the toilet there. Guys, it's still in the morning. Yeah, it's around 8:30 and I have just finished washing the utensils. This is my mom preparing to cook for us breakfast. This is chapati. Chapati is commonly eaten in Kenya. I think each and every community in Kenya does its own chapati. Yeah. This is my mom. Yeah, she's ready. So guys, let's wait and see how the chapati will come out. For the meantime, I'll sit here and wait for the breakfast. Then after taking my breakfast, I will wash the clothes later. Yeah, I'll do laundry. But the weather, it's not favorable today because it has been raining the whole morning, and I think the rain might come back again. Yeah, but I have to do laundry whether it rains or not, so just keep tuned. Yeah, we are still here cooking chapati. You can see how they are. We are done, as you can see. Yeah, we are done. Now it's eating. Hi guys, welcome back again to my YouTube channel. I'm still in the village, and today we are doing laundry. Yeah, if you want to see how we do it, we don't use a machine. We use our bare hands. That's where I'm fetching the water. Yes, this is rainy water. We collect the rain from the rooftop all the way to this tank, and now here we have a tap. This is where I'm fetching water from. It's a rainy day in the village, as you can see. Yeah. There is rain. You see? Yeah. Here in village it rains a lot. Mvua everywhere. Yeah, it's raining as you can see. But it's not too cold. As you can see, like I'm outside. So it's not that cold. Yes, let me show you. The water, we are collecting water here. Let me wear a jacket, then I come back. That tank has a lot of water, so there is no way ningeitengeneza. Yeah, it's a rainy day. Oh, being laying down. Yes, you can see another tank there. Yeah. Coming off the way from rooftop. This is how we collect water from the roof all the way to those gutters. Then the water runs down to that small tank. We have a bigger one there and another small there. Yeah, that one. Can we all get full? That's enough water. Yeah. So guys, the rain just caught up to me, as you can see. I'm not yet done. It just decided to rain, so I have no otherwise. So for the time being, I just stand here and wait. I have to wait. You see, but it's not too much. I'm here with my gumboots. Yeah, here, let me show you my gumboots. Yeah, my gumboots, my boots. Guys, the rain just stopped and now it's very sunny, very hot. Finally, I have finished washing the clothes and I have already hung them, as you can see. Yeah, they have to remain here for the overnight, and I hope it won't rain so that they can dry. From here, guys, I'm heading to the kitchen to prepare lunch, and this is the end of the video. Thank you for watching. Kindly subscribe, like, comment and share. See you on my next video. Bye.